Hi, hello my dear students, welcome to my video lecture class. Right up to now I uploaded video lectures on the topic relative velocity in two dimension. Relative velocity in two dimension. I already completed two lecture videos on the topic relative velocity. The topic is Riemann problems. Okay, please go through the previous lectures. So today we are going to discuss a new topic, so that means a newer concept in Riemann problem. Okay, new type of concept. So here up to now we have discussed rain is falling vertically. Okay, always rain falling vertically downwards. Sometimes it falls slantly also. It falls inclined manner. Okay, sometimes we observe that rain is falls like inclined manner. Is it or not? So for example, I consider rain falls like this. Rain falls like this. Rain falls like this. So rain falls like this. Okay. Rain falls like this. It made an angle. It made an angle with the horizontal. I consider with the horizontal. It made an angle. I consider some 37 degrees. 37 degrees, or it will be 53 degrees. You wish 37 degrees. Person is here. The person is here. Okay. Okay. Person is here. So he moves like this direction. So rain is falling with velocity. Some 50 kilometers per hour. 50 kilometers per hour. So man is moving on the ground. So this is ground. This is ground. This is ground. Man is moving on the ground with the velocity. 40 kilometers per hour. With velocity 40 kilometers per hour. Then find angle made by umbrella. Angle made by umbrella with the vertical. With the vertical to protect himself from rain. From rain. This is first question. Second one. Find magnitude of actual velocity of rain. With respect to man. Okay, actual velocity of rain with respect to man. So now this is here. So observe carefully. Whenever one vector make an angle with the vertical or horizontal, definitely it's split into two components. So according to resolution of vectors topic, please go through that previous lecture videos. I already completed a video lectures on the topic vectors. In that we discuss resolution of vectors concept. Please go through that. So whenever one vector make an angle with the horizontal or vertical, definitely it's split into two components, horizontal component and vertical component. So right here, this is 37 degrees. So for example, so here is a velocity that is 50 kilometers per hour. Like this it will be fall. So now, so here is an angle we consider. So they are already given. So this angle is 37 degrees. So that means this is 50 cos 37. This is what? 50 sin 37. Okay. So we know that tan 37 means 3 by 4. Tan 37 means 3 by 4. This is 37 degrees. This is a 3, this is a 4, this is definitely 5. Okay, according to Pythagoras rule, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is so what is this? 50 into cos 37. Cos 37 is adjacent by hypotenuse 4 by 5. 5 tens 10 into 4 40. Next 50 into sin 37. Sin 37 is 3 by 4, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 5 into 10, 10 into 3, 30. So this is a 40 kilometers per hour. This is 30 kilometers per hour. Okay. So angle weight vertical is so it can be drawn like this. So this is the last vector. Okay. So this is we consider 50 cos theta whenever it made an angle that we consider as cos. Other one we consider as sin. This is direction. So now we take velocity of rain with respect to ground indicator. Horizontal direction. What is this one? Already told. Please go through previous lectures. This is the origin. This is the negative y-axis. This is the positive y-axis. This is the positive x-axis. This is the negative x-axis. This is indicated with plus j cap. This is indicated with minus j cap. This is indicated with plus I cap. This is indicated with minus I cap. When the body is moves in positive x-axis direction, positive x-axis direction. So we take I cap. So that the body moves in this negative x-axis direction, we take minus I cap. So here the body, right. So positive x-axis, negative x-axis is minus I cap, positive x-axis j cap, negative x-axis minus I cap. So how can we indicate here? This is moving positive x-axis direction, that way 40 I cap. This is moving negative y-axis direction, negative y-axis direction, that's why we take minus 40 j cap. Okay, minus 40 j cap. What about this person? Velocity of man with respect to ground. That is BMG. This is moving along. Person is moving along positive x-axis. That's why we take 40 I cap. 40 I cap. So now what we apply here? Simple concept. Simple. Right. So always drawn like this, x dash, y dash. Okay. So now velocity of rain with respect to man is equal to velocity of rain with respect to man is equal to right. Velocity of rain with respect to man is equal to velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. Velocity of rain with respect to ground is already we got 30 I cap minus 40 j cap. Okay, j bar j cap. So minus velocity of man with respect to ground. Velocity of man with respect to ground what? So velocity of man with respect to ground he moves at what velocity he is moving on. So man is moving with so whether I consider man is moving with so if I consider, for example, man is moving with some 30 kilometers, 30 positive x-axis, so that is velocity of man with respect to ground, we take 30 I cap. Okay, so because it is in this direction. So now minus 30 cancel. What finally we got? Minus 40 j cap. Minus 40 j cap, right? So how can we indicate? 40 means that 2 minus j means negative y-axis indicator. So this is the direction of velocity of rain with respect to man. Okay, so man is stays on ground. He observes the rain. How can he observe? So rain is moving vertically downward direction. So at what direction we hold umbrella? So opposite direction. Already I told always we hold umbrella vertically opposite direction. Umbrella hold in this direction. Umbrella hold in this direction. Okay. So now first question is what? Find angle made by umbrella with the vertical. Angle made by umbrella with the vertical is 0 because vertical and umbrella both are coincide. Angle made by umbrella with the vertical. Angle made by umbrella with the vertical is 0. Angle made by umbrella with the vertical is 0 because umbrella direction and y-axis direction both are same. Direction both are same. 0 degrees coincide. So what about second one? Find magnitude of actual velocity of rain with respect to man. So second question, velocity of man with respect to, find the actual velocity. Actual velocity means if you take magnitude means just consider velocity of rain with respect to man. Magnitude, what we take here. So 30, what we got now? Minus 40 j cap we got. Minus 40 j cap. So that we consider minus 40 j cap minus 40 whole square. That means square root cancel. So finally we got 40 kilometers per hour. What is the actual velocity of rain? So actual velocity of rain is 40 kilometers per hour. It falls vertically downward direction. So the man protect himself. He hold umbrella vertically upward direction. Okay. So vertically upward direction means here the direction of umbrella is coincide with the y-axis. That's why theta is equal to 0. So angle made by umbrella with the vertical is 0. So I think all of you understood this lecture. So again we come back with another new concept and new problems. So please watch the lectures regularly. So thank you dears. Thank you so much.